बच्चों, how are you all? Today we are going to continue the previous lesson. Okay ma, did you read the lesson? Did you understand? Okay, take page number 41. We will continue the lesson. We were telling about some students, some kids were playing by wearing, one is becoming Gandhiji, one is becoming Nehru, and one is becoming Sarojini Naidu. Two kids will become police like that and all, isn't it? So here now the drama is starting. हुई सभा प्रारंभ कहा, हुई सभा प्रारंभ कहा, गांधी से चरखा चलवाओ. Now the assembly started. प्रारंभ हुआ means प्रारंभ, now started, they are telling. So Gandhi से चरखा चलवाओ. If it is drama is starting means Gandhi should run the spinning wheel. He has to use the spinning wheel. Nehru Jifi bole. Then Nehru, what is the character of Nehru want to do? Nehru, what he want to do? Nehru has to tell, Khaddar pahno pahnao. Khaddar, you have to wear khaddar. Khaddar means hand-spun cloth. You have to wear khaddar. Nehru's wording is that one only. So Gandhi has to do, he has to spin the wheel. Nehru has to say, you have to wear hand-spun cloth. Khaddar pahno pahnao. So hui safa prarambh कहा, गांधी से चरखा चलवाओ, नेहरू जीफी बोले, खद्दर पहनो पहनाओ. उठकर फिर देवी सरोजिनी, then Sarojini Naidu is standing. धीरे से बोली, slowly he is telling. Sarojini Naidu used to speak very slowly only. What she is telling? पहनो, sisters, Hindu Muslim मेल बढ़ाओ. Unity in Hindu Muslim. You have to increase the unity of Hindu Muslim. You have to increase the unity of Hindu Muslim. You should not be separate. All are same, like that you should do. Sabhi Shuddh Khaddar Pahno. She is also telling we have to wear pure hand spun cloth. She is also telling. What she is telling? Hindu Muslim मेल बढ़ाओ. उठकर फिर सदेवी सरोजिनी धीरे से बोली, बहनों हिंदू मुस्लिम मेल बढ़ाओ, सभी शुद्ध खद्दर पहनो. ऑल शुड वियर प्योर हैंड स्पन क्लोथ. छोड़ो सभी विदेशी चीज़ें. यू हैव टू अवॉइड द फॉरेन थिंग्स एंड ऑल. यू शुड नॉट यूज फॉरेन थिंग्स. लो देशी सुई तागा. यू हैव टू यूज द our country's things and all. What? Sui taga. Sui means needle, taga thread. That you should use, because Gandhi is using spinning wheel. For that you have to use the our India's things only. You should not use the foreign things and all. Itne mein lauta Kakaji. Suddenly what is happening? They were playing, isn't it? In between their uncle is coming. Itne mein laute Kakaji. Kakaji is coming. Yeah, their uncle is coming. By seeing that Nehru seat chod faga. Nehru is the small one, right? By seeing the uncle, now also the same only. If we are playing and so in between our uncle or auntie or somebody, we like they are coming means we will run, we will forget our play and we will run behind them, isn't it? So like that, this Nehru also, he is leaving the seat and he is running behind that Kaka. इतने में लौटा काका जी, Nehru seat छोड़े फागा. He ran by leaving the seat. He forgot that he is Nehru. काका आए. काका came, uncle came. काका means uncle came. चलो सिनेमा जाएंगे. We will come, let's go for seeing cinema. Uncle came, so we have to go for cinema. खोरी दीक्षित को देखेंगे. खोरी दीक्षित one actress. We will go and see that actress. केक मिठाई खाएंगे. We will go and eat cake and मिठाई. Okay, we will go and eat cake and मिठाई. काका आए, चलो सिनेमा जाएंगे. खोरी दीक्षित को देखेंगे. केक मिठाई खाएंगे. We will go with uncle and we will see cinema. We will go and see Dikshit. Then we will eat cake and मिठाई. जीजी चलो सफ़ा फिर होगी. अभी सिनेमा है जना. जीजी, sister, come, let's go for cinema. Now we don't want to play. Afterwards we will play. Like that he is telling. चलो चले अब ज़रा देर को. खोरी दीक्षित बन जाए. उछले कूदे शोर मचावे. मोटर गाड़ी दौड़ाए. Okay, let's go. आज for little time we will go and see Khori Dikshit. We will go and we will play. उछले कूदे, jump and play. शोर मचावे, we will enjoy. मोटर गाड़ी दौड़ाएं, we will drive the motor गाड़ी, that motorcycle, that bike, because they will go with the Kakaji on the bike and we will they are telling we will ride that one. It will be very enjoyable. So for little time we will forget everything and we will play. So here they are telling that Gandhi, Nehru and Sarojini Naidu is telling that we have to avoid the foreign things, we have to use the Indian things only, and also it is a very entertainment. So like this you can play in your home, isn't it? Like you have to, one have to become Gandhiji, one have to become Chachaji, one have to become Sarojini, two of them has to become police, like that. So somebody will become the audience, those who is hearing the speech and all, like that. So many is there. So this you have to do. Okay, so you have to read it. This much only this lesson. Once more can I read? Once more listen carefully. Okay my dear kids. हुई सभा प्रारंभ कहा, गांधी से चरखा चलवाओ, नेहरू चीफी बोले खद्दर पहनाओ. Read with me. हुई सभा प्रारंभ कहा, गांधी से चरखा चलवाओ, नेहरू चीफी बोले खद्दर पहनाओ. Then उठकर फिर देवी सरोजिनी धीरे से बोली बहनों, हिंदू मुस्लिम मेल बढ़ाओ, सभी शुद्ध खद्दर पहनो. Once more. उठकर फिर देवी सरोजिनी धीरे से बोली बहनों, हिंदू मुस्लिम मेल बढ़ाओ, सभी शुद्ध खद्दर पहनो. Then next one. छोड़ो सभी विदेशी चीज़ें, लो देशी सुई तागा, इतने में लौटे काकाजी, नेहरू सीट छोड़ भागा. Once more. छोड़ो सभी विदेशी चीज़ें, लो देशी सुई तागा, इतने में लौटे काकाजी, नेहरू सीट छोड़ भागा. Then काका आए, चलो सिनेमा जाएंगे, खोरी दीक्षित को देखेंगे, केक मिठाई खाएंगे. काका आए, चलो सिनेमा जाएंगे, खोरी दीक्षित को देखेंगे, केक मिठाई खाएंगे. Okay. Then जी चलो सभी फिर होगी, सबा फिर होगी, अभी सिनेमा है जाना. जी चलो सबा फिर होगी, अभी सिनेमा है जाना. चलो चले अब ज़रा देर को, खोरी दीक्षित बन जाएं, उछले कूदे शोर मचावें, मोटर गाड़ी दौड़ावें. चलो चले अब ज़रा देर को, खोरी दीक्षित बन जाएं, उछले कूदे शोर मचावें, मोटर गाड़ी दौड़ाएं. Okay. This much only that lesson. Okay. Whatever you want, you collect information about Nehruji, Gandhi and Sarojini Naidu. Okay. Whatever you know, you ask your parents about Nehruji, Gandhiji and all. Okay. Then get information and let you know about them. Okay, they are the freedom fighters of our India. They fight and only we got the independence, so we should know about them. Okay, collect information from your parents and let me know. Okay my dear kids, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. Read it, record it and send it to me. Okay, read everything, because I have read everything nicely, so you should read it, record it and send it to me. Okay my dear kids. Okay, thank you. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.